Have too many nail polish swatch sticks, don't know how to organize them, and totally getting out of hand? Well, I'm here to show you exactly how to get this DIY wall rack for your nail polish swatch sticks and how to keep them organized. Okay guys, so we're going to be taking the ruler and a pencil and we're going to be pretty much lining this up and pretty much marking exactly what we don't want. So at the end of this, it's just pretty much going to be just the middle part of this tag that I want. So as you can see, and then we're just going to take a scissors and cut the outer part that we don't want. So make sure it's a straight line. Take your time with this, don't rush into it. Okay, so now we're going to take the smaller scissors, which technically these are eyebrow groomer scissors. So we're just cutting around where that ring is to make it look like a rounded shape tag. So just like so. Okay, so now we're going to take the label maker and we're going to create a label. So this label is going to go on that white tag that we just cut out. And I'm pretty much doing all capitals here, and the size is going to be a small letter print. I mean, you can customize this any way you want. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm just cutting out the excess paper that I don't want on this label, so because it doesn't look even to me, so I just wanted to make sure it's pretty even. And now I'm just going to line it up in the middle of this tag to make it look super neat, and this is how it should look. Okay, so now we're going to take the ring of swatch sticks and we're going to take that tag that we just created and put it inside that ring. So now you have a customizable category in that ring now. Okay, next we're going to take the wooden rod and we're going to spray paint this in white. It took about 4 layers to spray paint this. As you can see, I spray painted this horizontally because vertically it was giving us drips. I gave this a full day to fully dry, and then the next day I gave 1 coat of clear coat for this. Okay, here is the next challenging part, is gluing the knobs to the wooden rod. So first I'm starting off with the E6000, and in a minute you're going to see it's going to be falling apart. Like I said, this was super challenging, so I didn't record that I used super glue, but you pretty much get the idea. You have to glue it on. And this is how it should look. And here I'm just cleaning the wall with a little bit of rubbing alcohol just to make sure the surface is clean before we apply the command hooks. And here I have my husband just kind of helping me out, line things up, making sure that everything's pretty even before we stick on the command hooks. So he's helping me do both sides because I couldn't do this by myself. So thankfully I have him. All right, now we're going to take our tags and our ring of swatch sticks and we're going to categorize them and put them in each ring. So they should look like this. Alright, now that we categorize them into groups, so now we're going to take the ring of swatch sticks and slide them into the wooden rod, just like so. And we're going to hang them up now into the command hooks. Alright, so this is pretty much the final project, so this is how it should look like. Right here I'm just fixing them and making sure they're in the right direction, because I want to make sure when you look at them, you're going to look at the label, and that way it's pretty much looks super sleek and neat and organized. I categorize them this way because it makes my life easier. You can categorize them any way you want. This is just a fun project to do, especially if you're a nail polish collector like me. So yeah, thanks for watching.